Hello students, in the current video I will explain what is risk, its definitions and causes. This is the very significant video for BCom, BBA, MCom, MBA, CS and CMA students. Now we will understand what is risk. Risk is defined in financial terms as the chance that an outcome or investment's actual gain will differ from an expected outcome or returns. In the sense, it is the deviation between your expectations and the reality. The deviation is refers to as risk. Risk includes the possibility of losing some or all of the original investments. In sometimes what will happen, you will lose certain amount of investment or you can lose entire investment even. So this risk is very significant area that an investor must concentrate. Quantifiably, risk is usually assessed by considering the historical behavior and outcome. So history is very significant in order to evaluate, in order to calculate the risk. Risk of particular investment, particular business, we will see what will happen, what happened in the past with that particular investment, particular business or particular stock, so that the historical data will give us the information. Historical outcome, historical data is always significant in assessing the risk. In finance, standard deviation is a common metric associated with the risk. In the sense what? Standard deviation is quite significant metric in order to calculate the risk with regards to the financial concepts. Risk is the combination of two factors. One is probability. What is the probability of happening of a particular event? And what will be the impact of that event? What will be the impact on our business as well as our investments? Above factors can help in deciding how much risky the situation. What is the probability of happening of an event and how badly it is going to affect our investment or business. So when you have the combination of these two, then only you can understand the risk concept. Then definition of risk. This is very important as far as the exams are concerned. Definitions you have to write. According to dictionary, risk is the existence of volatility in the occurrence of an expected incident. Volatility in the sense what is the variation of a occurrence of an expected event is refers to as a risk. You will expect, but what is the volatility of that happening? That is very significant here. Higher the unpredictability, greater is the risk. It may or may not involve money. Sometimes it may involve money, may not involve money. Then one more definition Emmett given. Risk is the condition in which there is a possibility of an adverse deviation from the desired outcome that is expected or hoped so far. So it is the deviation between the actual outcome and desired outcome. Then one more definition. At its most general level, risk is used to describe any situation where there is a uncertainty about what outcome will occur. So precisely all these three definitions says that it is a deviation or variation between your expectation and the reality. That is refers to as risk. So your expectation should be equal to near to reality, near to actuals, then only you can minimize the risk. Now we will understand causes of risk. Wrong method of investment. The methodology should be very important. How you are using what kind of methodology you are adopting for investment. Wrong timing. Timing is very important. What is that when you are entering the market, when you are taking exit from the market, that is also very important. Wrong quantity of investment. Quantity plays a very significant role in investment. Interest rate risk. Nature of investment instrument, what kind of an investment instrument it is and what is the nature of that particular instrument, very significant. Credit worthiness of the business, the company in which we are investing. Maturity period or length of investment, terms of lending, and national or international factors, natural calamities. These are the all what we call basic causes for the risk, right? I hope I made you understand the causes as well as the definition and what is risk. I wish you all the best. Do subscribe my channel, Mentor the Trusted Guide. Thank you very much.